Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making mutton karahi with less ingredients. Mutton half kg, chopped onion 1 cup, oil 2 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Mix everything. Salt as per taste. I am using merium karahi gosht masala 2 tablespoon. Mix. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Chopped tomatoes 1 cup. Water half cup. Cook for 2 whistles. Cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Add green chilies on top. Close the lid. Now it's ready to serve. Enjoy with rotis. Ginger on top. Whatever we do, plating is so important. I am using with tomato peel. Make rows like this. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.